Did I miss the bus? Is it too late to start in crypto? Let me explain it to you with a story. Meet Gopal, a handsome engineer, aged 26. Work is everything for him. Meet Ruchi, the smart engineer, aged 25, young, ambitious talent, has big dreams. Both of them work in the same company and are super happy today as they receive their extra bonus of 10,000 rupees. Happy and excited with their extra income, they ask their fathers what to do with this extra money.
भया मन तो दो ही चीजा घनी चोखी लागे, एक तो सोनो और दूसरो सोनो। बात बताऊं मत न खरी खरी, लगा रुपया सोना में और बोल हरी हरी।
Yes, Ruchi beta. As such, we Marwadis are known for risk taker. But I think always we should have a diversified portfolio. Nowadays, I am hearing much about the stocks to be invested. And do you know, though the people are calling it gamble, I know it's speculation, but it's a calculated risk. Reliance stocks is looking very promising. Do invest in Reliance stock, and I think it will be a better choice for the long-term investment.
Both of them, without any second thought, followed their parents' advices and got back to their usual life. 41 years later, now they are about to find out how much did they actually earn from their years-old investment.
Oh my god! Appa, you were so right! 10,000 invested in gold became 7 lakhs! I am so fortunate, I am so glad that I followed your advice.
Wait a minute. I had bought those Reliance shares, na? Let me find out what is their value today. Na 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 na. What? 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 3.1 crores. Thank you so much, Daddy. I followed your investment advice and today I have made 3000% profit. Oh my god! I can take my entire family on a 7-star cruise now. What would you want to become? Goldie Gopal or Reliance Rich Ruchi?
At initial stages, when equities were offered, people were afraid of scams and speculation. But with time, growing knowledge and growing expertise, we are now comfortable with the equities market. This rock, weighing 250 tons, has stood on this slope for years together. It has stood test of time, temperature, harsh weather, but it still stands strong. Why? Because of its foundation. Similarly, cryptocurrency, although new, started in 2009, has stood test of times and is standing strong on its underlying foundational evolutionary technology, which is called the blockchain technology. And it is here to stay, and it has proven it time and again.
So let's look at the reasons why I believe crypto is the future. Crypto is decentralized, meaning no person, institution or government holds complete authority over the crypto network or its transactions. Crypto is of the people, for the people and by the people, truly democratizing finance. Crypto is peer-to-peer. For any financial transaction to happen, two people, you and me, require banks, third-party agency, middlemen, or in India, even postal authorities. Crypto eliminates the need of any middlemen, thereby facilitating direct transfer of currency from one person's wallet to another. Requirement is only a smartphone and an internet, the two integral part of modern lifestyle. This brings billions of unbanked people into global financial inclusivity. Crypto is global. Crypto is a global currency. It doesn't change its value in different countries. If you are a businessman or a traveler, you may often have to visit Forex exchange to convert INR to US dollar and from US dollar to whichever country's fiat currency you want. We lose a lot of money in the process because of the rates of exchange while also losing lot of man hours. Sometimes transferring from one part of the globe to other may take 2-3 days. And in case there's a weekend in the middle, oh my god, it may take 4-5 days also. But with crypto, it doesn't even take 4-5 hours or 4-5 minutes. Within matter of seconds, funds can be transferred from anywhere to anywhere without loss of exchange, as crypto has universal rates. In fact, there are thousands of crypto ATMs in the world where you can put in your crypto and withdraw in that particular country's currency. Yay! Crypto ledgers on public blockchain are transparent and immutable. Not one ledger, but millions of computers called miners make note of the transactions that happen on the blockchain. The ledger is public and hence anyone can check. But at the same time, transactions can only be added. It cannot be reversed, it cannot be changed, it cannot be wrong. Hence, making good blockchains resistant to hacking. Crypto markets work 24/7. Unlike forex currency and commodity markets that only work 5 days a week, crypto exchanges work 24/7 for 365 days. Come what may, if you require to sell your crypto for fiat money, even on a weekend or a holiday or even midnight, crypto can be converted anytime to your fiat currency. Crypto can't be tampered. The inherited characteristic of crypto is it cannot be pickpocketed, can't be spoiled by water, can't catch fire, it can't even be torn, and it is termite proof. Crypto has exponential growth. Fiat currency, the government realized currency like Indian rupee, US dollar, Japanese yen, Chinese yuan, etc. are mostly stable. They don't rise in value abnormally or exponentially because of the intrinsic backing with forex and gold reserves of a particular country. But crypto has a community, real-world utility, use cases, global nature, some even have limited supply, and most importantly, it is fancied by investors and institutions as a hedging option. These reasons make crazy growth in crypto possible. Even 100x, 1000x is possible here. In today's world, when chances of a fiat currency appreciating is minimal, most of the country's currencies is depreciating much more than its inflation rate. This makes our money lose value. But crypto grows in value and it has consistently outperformed the inflation rate and hence is a good investment option, better than equities, gold, silver, and even real estate. So Yashika, am I too late to start? Bitcoin has already gone out of my reach. More than $46,000, you see. Not at all, dear. According to this source, 300 million people own crypto and there are about 4.6 billion people using the internet. So you see, only 6.5% of the internet world has adopted to crypto. So think of the demand in the coming years when the rest of the community comes to crypto. By virtue of stats, you're still an early mover and you can start in crypto with as low as $1.5. Oh, मतलब 21 दिन में पैसा double? No. Come back from your dreams. As lucrative as crypto sounds, it is also a highly volatile market. Are you trying to scare me? No, not at all. I just mean to say DYOR. Do your own research before putting your hard-earned money in. With right knowledge and right strategy, you may earn 2x, 10x or even 100x. Well, 1000 times is also a possibility here. Remember, higher the risk, higher the returns. Risk hai to ishq hai.
The bottom line is that crypto is the future, and not knowing this technology today will be one of our biggest losses in the future. It is okay if you have missed being an early part of this decentralized financial evolution. But you are still ahead of the 95% of the internet world.
Decide which side you want to pursue. So tell me, which currency should I invest in? Well, instead of answering what, I'll explain the strategies of investing either with 1,000 or 1 lakh rupees. Oh, you're an angel. And I remember what you said, DYOR. Absolutely. I'm going to cover this in my next few videos. So make sure you have subscribed to this channel if you haven't already.
Crypto is not just about market and charts. It's much more. In fact, it's the evolutionary underlying blockchain technology, its use cases, and apart from that, the evolutionary concepts like NFTs, metaverse, DAO, decentralized finance, smart contracts, and so much more. Overwhelmed? Don't be. For more information, follow these videos.